What's good, everybody? It's your boy Mob. I'm back at it again. Day 3, get the abs and steel challenge. Let's get it. You know what I'm saying? Today we're gonna do some hard workouts. It's moving up to moderate, you know what I'm saying? So the workouts is gonna get a little harder. We're gonna get right into it. Let's get it. First exercise is 15 sit-ups. We're gonna get right into it. I want y'all to have your arms straight up to the sky to make it easier if you don't have a partner to hold your feet and help you get your sit up better. 1, 2, 3. We're gonna be doing 15 of these. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 5 more, 11, 4 more, 12, 3 more, 13, 2 more, 14, 1 more, and then 15. We're gonna be doing those 2 sets, same thing. But next exercise, we're doing leg lifts. I want y'all to put backs on the floor, touching the floor. You can have your hands behind your head. We're doing the same thing for 15 reps. I'm at 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Alright. Next exercise is a little harder. We're doing L sits for 15 seconds. We're gonna hold our weight up for 15 seconds. It's gonna be hard. Or we're gonna try to do 5-second increments. 4, 2, 1. We're gonna do 5-second increments, but we're doing it for 15 seconds. So 3 5-second increments. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Work that tricep and them abs. We really working them abs. We got 1 more left. 1 more 5-second hold left. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right. Next exercise is side leg raises. We're gonna move to the side. We're gonna move to the side for y'all. Like the crab. All right. 1, 2. Work your obliques. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. All right, next side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. All right, last exercise, we're gonna be doing the dead bug. We're gonna have our limbs up to the sky like this. We're gonna be alternating legs. And it's the same thing with the opposite leg, opposite arm. So, 1, 2, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 10 more, 6, 6, 7, 7, 8, this is 8, 8, this 9, 9, 10, 10. Hold on. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. 4. And last one. Last one. Oh shit. That workout, y'all, was brutal. That was moderate. Shit, almost advanced. This is the last workout that's moderate. Next one's gonna be advanced. We're gonna try to get it. Stay tuned, y'all. Like, subscribe. Day 3. Stay tuned for day 4. Happy New Year's.